Hi everyone, Dallas here for Vehicle and Transportation Week. Now this week would not be complete if we didn't talk about the airplane. This is a Japan Airlines Boeing 777. This passenger jet can hold about 350 passengers. Its wings are almost 65 meters across, and it has a top speed of 945 kilometers per hour. Wow, that's fast. Airplanes are great. I've got one right here. Let's try and build it together. All right, we're just going to the park. Looks like a good day. Try out our airplane. It's starting to get a bit windy. Oh no. Look at this flag telling us how windy it is. Okay, you guys, first flight of the Toy Story airplane. Here we go. Oh. Toy Story airplane, take 3. Here we go. Oh, that was pretty good. Let's try sending it down the slide. All right, here we go. Yeah, oh, hello there. Konnichiwa, hello. Who's this? Musashi. 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 Look. Sounds like there's another airplane right on top of us. Let's look up. Can you see it? All right. Send you for a flight. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, everyone, I hope you had fun flying this airplane with me today. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.